Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Finn. I post content twice a week. In today's video, I am so excited because this is a video that I've been planning on doing for the last few months. As you can see by the title, today we are going to be doing some tie-dye stuff. Now, these videos went around a few months back. All of my YouTube friends were doing them. They were buying the kits off eBay, Amazon, etc. We're doing it slightly different today. It should turn out cheaper. We're doing it with food colouring. Let's get straight into the video and I'm going to show you guys what I bought for this. I think I spent a lot. So the first thing you're going to need, I think you can use any colour really, but I bought two white t-shirts from Primark. These are from the men's section, obviously. If you're not new here, you know I always shop there. So I got these in a size extra small because I find these are perfect for me, and these were only £3.50 each. So these are 95% cotton, 5% elastane, so that's not too bad. Hopefully these take. So I got two of these, and like I say, from Primark, so that's £7 in total. Then, in order for the food dye colouring stuff to stick to the t-shirts, you need either white vinegar or you can use apple cider vinegar. Apparently this works exactly the same way. So you need this at a ratio 1:1 cider vinegar to water. So I got some of that, and that is from Aldi, and this was 65p I think. Then I went to Tesco and I actually picked up 4 colours from Tesco. So I picked up a green, a blue, a yellow, a red, and then when I went to Aldi, I picked up the red because I wanted a pink. I was going to dilute it, but when I went to Aldi they just had a pink in general, so I also picked up this pink, and the pink is 65p. The first thing I need to do is soak the white t-shirts in the apple cider vinegar mix. So let's go and do that. Right guys, I've tried my best to place you. It might not be perfect, but I've got this bottle here, which is a 500ml bottle from IKEA. I filled it up with water. This is 500ml of apple cider vinegar. So I'm just going to put half of this and half of that into the pot for a 1:1 ratio. Then I'm going to soak the t-shirts inside. Oh, I can smell the vinegar. Beautiful. Remember to de-tag the garments and take off all of the stickers, because otherwise it's probably not great. So I've got that. I'm just going to literally soak it in there and poke it around a little bit. Those two tops have soaked up the whole of that. Right, I'm going to leave that for 5 minutes, just let it sort of absorb, soak in a little bit. I'm going to prepare the next step. See you in 5.
A few moments later.
Right guys, they've been soaking for about 5 minutes now. I'm just going to sort of wring this out a little bit because I don't want loads of vinegar in it. And then also, because we're doing food colouring, when you're making your food colouring, you have to make the shade about 2 times darker than what you actually want it to turn out like. So, I mean, this stuff, from the videos I've seen, it works. Now, there's loads of different knots. If just have a look on YouTube for some knots. So this is the top. And I want to do like the spiral swirl thing, so I'm just going to lay it flat and I'm going to pinch the middle and just twist and keep twisting. So I'm going to pop a hairband just to hold it all together. So I've got a thick hairband. Just pop it around. I very much hope that this works because I'm very excited for this. I really hope that this works because so far I'm looking at it like, girl, you're not going to work. Chuck that in there, put it to the side. I really want to do a blue and yellow one and a pink and green one, so let's just make up the pink and green really quickly. So I've got a Buxton water bottle, you don't need a lot of water in it, so pop that in there, and I'm going to just reuse this one and pop a tiny bit in there. Then, like I said, you have to make the colours twice as dark as really what you want them. I want to do the pink and green one first, so I think realistically I want it vibrant, so might just put the whole thing in there and just be done with it. So let's go. Oh, that's vibrant. Okay, I've used like half the bottle. Again, I used half the bottle. Next thing you're going to do is pop the lid back on that, sunshine. We're literally just going to pour it over the bucket thing, and then I need to get a bag, one sec. It's ready for the t-shirt to go in there, but I'm just going to start pouring, so I'm going to do, this is the top, so probably pink for the top, green on the bottom. I'm scared, I'm so scared. Now I've got the green. The green will be easier because it's in a Buxton bottle. You're meant to use water bottles, but hopefully this is easier. Oh my god. I really hope that these colours stay like this. I'm so excited for this. So that's what we're left with so far. Okay, and now I need to put this in the bag without getting food dye everywhere. And then I'm going to find another bag and put it in another bag so it stays all together. I'm going to chuck a hairband around that just so it doesn't... Oh shoot, I'm leaking! So there is the first package. Now it says to keep them somewhere warm, so I'm going to just pop them in the airing cupboard, I think, and just keep them warm over there. Right, just the same as before, I'm going to wring out the old shirt and get rid of the nasty vinegar. Awesome, right, I've done that one really quite tight. I've done like 4 different hairbands. So, I'm now going to do the dye. I want this one blue and yellow, so let's grab the blue and the yellow. I have a funny feeling once this is washed out it's not going to be very dark, the blue. Oh my god, that's vibrant. I love it. Right guys, that is everything I can do for the time being. They need to sit in that bag for approximately 8 hours. Let's see how tired I am tonight. If not, I'm going to leave them until the morning. If you're following along, by the way, at this point I'm now going to go and get a big 2 litre bottle of water, and I'm going to go put it in the fridge because I need like some really cold water for tomorrow's part. So I'm going to go do that, but I will see you guys in the morning. So sleep well. Why am I saying sleep well? It's going to be like a split second for you guys. Sleep well during your split second. See you in a sec. Hi beautifuls, good morning. I don't know why I sound so chirpy. I'm really excited for this. So, the t-shirts have been soaking overnight. It's now 12 o'clock, so it's been, how many hours is that? 20 hours? About 20 hours? Yeah. So I think if they're not stained now, they're never going to be stained. So let's just give these a rinse with some proper cold water. I said yesterday that I was going to pop some cold water in the fridge for this. I haven't, because I just thought actually the water in the bathroom is freezing anyway. So we're just going to do it there. If you're ready, follow me into the bathroom. Let's have a look. I'm so excited. I really hope that these worked. I've got normal kitchen salt. I'm just going to chuck a load of that in here. Apparently it like sort of, I think it helps with running or colour, or it helps with something. I don't really know. This is what I'm looking like. The yellow looks amazing. So let's just take off as many of these as I can probably take off. Love the yellow. Oh my god, it looks sick. That looks so cool. That looks amazing. Sneak peek. And then all of the top is like yellow. Ah, I love it. I can't wait to see that when it's dry. Oh my god, the green looks yellow. Look at that, the green looks yellow. I'm not sure how well this one's going to turn out. And again, I thought that about the other one, and I still like the yellow and the pink, so that's cool. Oh my gosh, look. How cool is that? That's so cool. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god. Okay, so there's the pink and the green one that we did, but the green has definitely gone a more yellowy colour. So you got the spiral pattern in the middle, twiddle it. It's on the back as well. Oh, I love this. I love the pattern. I love how that one turned out. Then in the background, this one wasn't as tight, I don't think. But I love the colours, and I don't know why, I just love the yellow, and like, I love the shape as well. I just love it all. I actually am so excited for these to dry. Guys, I've just hung them up to try and dry. Look at them when the sun pokes through. Like, the sun was really bright just a minute ago. But they look so cool. I actually love them. Right guys, the t-shirts are done. They are dried, they've been ironed, and they have changed so much since I last showed you. So I still really like them, but they are nowhere near what they originally looked like. So without further ado, let me haul you my new t-shirts. Right, so I'm going to start off with the yellow and the blue one. I'm just going to show you first. The blue is gone. I don't know what happened. You can see where the pattern where it used to be. The yellow I love still. I absolutely love this pastel shade of yellow. But the blue has completely disappeared. And I'm just glad that the top shoulders are both the yellow shade. Because I still really like this, but the blue's gone. So if you're going to do this, don't use blue as a food colouring or make it really dark. Then next, this is by far my favourite one. I absolutely love this, but again, it has changed from really bright and vibrant to quite pastel-y. So this is the pink and the yellow one. I love it. I absolutely love this. I love the shape. The shape worked so well. I love like the pastel yellow colour. I love the shade of the pink. Everything about this I absolutely love. So they weren't lying when they said make your colours really dark. But yeah, it survived that, and it survived my ironing skills, so I'm not mad. Right guys, thank you so much for coming on this little journey with me. This video has taken me like 3.5 days to film. I really hope you enjoyed it. So if you did enjoy it, please don't forget to hit that like button and maybe hit the subscribe button down there. In the meantime, I really hope you have a fantastic day, evening or weekend, wherever you are in the world, and I really hope that I get to see you guys again in the next YouTube video. Until then, love you, bye.